Hello everyone, I'm here to share with you some exciting news about Canvas. This June, we're going to be rolling over Canvas to the new user interface. What does this mean for you? Well, let me show you. Basically, what Canvas is doing is they are changing the user interface that will affect what it looks like when you log in using any web browser. This has no impact on what it looks like when you log in using the Canvas app. For the most part, what they're going to do is make that user experience when you log in through the web version look more similar to what you see when you log in using the app. Let me show you the differences. I'm going to flip over here. This is the traditional method, is what you currently can see now. And as you can see across the top, you have all of these links that you could follow to access things like your courses, your grades, your calendar. And across the top, you have your username, inbox, settings, logout, and help. All of this stuff, this whole section across the top is going to disappear, and it's going to show up now on the left-hand side navigation. And it's also going to have a little visual to it. So this is very similar to what you see when you're using the app. The other important difference is that when you are looking at your dashboard when you first log in, you will see a list of all of your courses here. Now you can change this to the notification view by using this toggle up here, but I like seeing it similar to how I see it with the apps. All of the courses that you have listed as your favorite can be color coded, so I can change the colors just like I can when I'm using the app. Let me hit apply. And another thing is you have quick access to important features of your course. So if your course has certain things available in it, you'll see these icons down here at the bottom. For example, this icon here shows you the list of course files. This is course assignments, and this is course discussions. By clicking on any one of these, it will launch you directly to that part that is part of your course. So you don't have to click into your course and then click on the navigation. This takes you directly there. Now, a few other things that are worth mentioning. You'll notice over here on the left-hand side near the top, you will have your account information here. If I click on that account, here's my fake student account, you will see profile, settings, notifications, files, and e-portfolios. So these are the same features that you had in your account before. It's just a different location to get to it. You have your course listing here. So this will show you all of your courses that you are currently listed as your favorites. If you want to view every course that you're enrolled in, click on all courses. And this is where you can find any other course that isn't one of your favorites. You also have quick access to your groups, and you have quick access to your calendar over here on that navigation. The calendar feature is exactly the same. Again, the only difference is we are clicking here as opposed to clicking somewhere in the top menu bar. Now, I do want to point out that the actual courses themselves, none of the functionality has changed. Right here, I'm just showing you one of the sample biology courses that I have. All of the course navigation is now available here. The only difference, instead of things being across the top, they will now be listed on the left-hand side here. Everything else is the same. So, as always, if you have any questions about this, again, our timeline is we're going to be switching this over in June. So some of you might not notice this until you log in the beginning of the school year. But again, all the functionality is still there, and all of the features, all the content that you currently have in your courses, none of that is affected. This is really just a navigation change to make it look a little more visual and to make it consistent with what you access with the app. If you have any questions, please let us know, and have an awesome day.